Good morning, friends. It's Miss Lindsay. Hope you guys are having a great week so far. So this week, we're learning about the ocean, and we're talking about animals that live in the ocean and things we find in the ocean. So today, I wanted to share my ocean science tray with you. If we were at school, we would have put these things out in our science center, and we would have used our microscope and our magnifying glasses to explore some of these things. So today we're going to play a little game. Right here you can see I have ocean words. I'm going to share some of these ocean words with you, and when I show you the card, I want you to see if you can find that object on my tray. Okay? Let's look at the first one. Oh, do you guys know what that is? All right, this word says seahorse. Can you find the seahorse on my tray? All right, so here's my seahorse. This is a real seahorse. Look how tiny it is in my hand. Why do you think this is called a seahorse? Look at the shape of its head. What does it remind you of? Maybe a real horse. And look at its tail. See how its tail curls up? That's so when it's swimming in the ocean, it can latch on to something, like maybe a piece of seaweed, so it can stay in one spot. So that's a seahorse. All right, let's find out what else we have in our ocean words today. You guys know what that says? Crab. Now I have two different types of crabs on my tray. Let's look at this one. Okay, look. This one is a hermit crab. Do you see how he's in a shell? Look, he's hiding in there. These crabs are in glass so that we can look at them and study them. You see him? He lives in a shell. Okay, and then here's a different kind of crab. Look at that. You can see his eyes and his claws. Look at him. So crabs live in the ocean. Look right there, it says crab. Okay, let's look at our next word. You guys know what that is? That says clam. Can you find the clam shell on my tray? There it is. All right, so this is a clam shell. It's nice and smooth, and if you go to the beach, a lot of times clams bury themselves in the mud or the sand, and so if you dig around, you can find a clam shell. All right, let's see what else we have. What is that? Starfish. Can you guys find my starfish? So I don't have a real starfish. I need to get one next time I go to Galveston. But I made a starfish this week. And so starfish have how many legs? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So usually starfish have 5 legs. Some types of starfish have more than that. But you guys can make this starfish at home. I posted the directions on Google Classroom, and you can glue cereal on, and if you rub your hand across it, it feels like the texture of a real starfish. So you could use Fruit Loops and make it really colorful, or other kinds of cereal if you don't have Cheerios at home. So that's a starfish. I also posted a video you can watch, and you can see how a starfish moves. It has little tubes all over to help it get around the ocean. All right, friends, this word is seashell. I have 2 seashells on my tray. Do you see them? Here they are. Some of you guys might have seashells at home. If you've taken a trip to the beach, maybe you got your bucket or your pail and walked around and looked for seashells. We can find seashells where the water meets the beach. Isn't this one pretty? Let's look at this one. It matches what's on my card here. See all the pretty lines in the seashell? It's bumpy on this side, and on the inside it feels smooth. All right, guys, this is our last word. This is a conch shell. Can you find the conch shell on my tray? So this is a big shell. It's really pretty. Look at the pattern on there. And then when you turn it over, it's nice and shiny and smooth inside. And if you put this up to your ear, you can hear the ocean. Some of you guys might have a seashell like this at home. All right, friends. Well, those are some of our ocean words. I hope you guys are having fun at home learning about the ocean this week, and I'll see you guys soon. I love you bunches. Bye.